Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. Right, so today is a really exciting video for me, guys. I recently got this. It was probably about a month ago at this point. So it's the Kimchi Chic Virgin Mojito palette, and it is just full of greens and yellows in this palette. It is just absolutely beautiful, guys. So the only thing I've done with this palette at this point is done some swatches for the channel. I'm really not sure what I'm going to use today. Part of me really wants to use this kiwi shade here. It's just absolutely stunning. Before we can get into the palette, let's just put some white chocolate all over my lid, just like I always do. Or I would if I could find the brush. Right, now we're going to zoom in. My eyes are watering. Probably saying, oh no, not that again. Right, what matte are we going to put down? I feel like I want to put down Teal Dream, so that one. Just running my Morphe brush through the colour switch. Yeah, there's nothing on it. And I'm going to go in with the lightest green in the palette, which is more of a mint green. I wouldn't say it's a teal, not really. We're just going to put, ooh, she's pigmented. I just want to make it a little bit deeper than that. Especially on this section. Oh, it's really watering now. That's the worst thing about having a sensitive left eye, because it is always the left eye. If you notice, when I film my videos, it's always the left eye that waters. Right, what's next? Now, do I go in with sour apple or sour pop? Part of me wants to do this sour pop one. Just below that transition shade and in the outer V. Now I'm going to just run that through the colour switch. It's the Morphe. It's a round brush, and it's really good, guys, for doing outer V work, and just running it through there as well, running it through the crease. I just kind of tap it till I've got the right pigmentation. These are really pigmented, guys. I've not really heard so much of this palette, but Kimchi has a bigger one that I wanted to get. I've not got it yet. It's on Beauty Bay. I might get it. It's very bright, like this palette is, but it's got an array of colours, which is just really, really pretty, and it's in the sale. The reason I've not bought it is because I've just spent so much money on Colourpop, which I'm still waiting for the order to get to me. One of the worst things in the world for me is waiting. But yeah, I'm waiting for that. But I'm kind of deflecting now as well. It's a really nice palette, but people are saying that that palette, you can't work with it. Like, some of the shades are really patchy. I'll find out the name of it and I'll link it somewhere in the video. I feel like I need to go in with that teal shade now. Yeah, I'm going to go in with just a little bit more of Teal Dream, just to blend out that Sour Pop shade. Which is doing that really, really good. Now, do I cut crease or do I not? I might leave it for today. I've been doing cut creases in a lot of my videos. And I do feel like I'm progressively getting better, but I'm still not the best at doing them. Right, so that's that. Then I'm going to go in with my... Sorry, I just dropped my Charlotte Tilbury mirror, well, eyeshadow palette on the floor. I'm going to go in with this packing brush by Morphe, and we are going to use the shade that I wanted to use earlier, which is called Kiwi. Now, this is fine specks of glitter in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the eyes, probably not. Oh, you can actually. They're like yellow gold glitters. Well, they're not like, that's exactly what you're getting. Oh, that is stunning. And I thought the green mattes might look patchy, but I blended them out quite well. And we'll spray the brush just to see if we can get it more pigmented. Don't know why I wiped it off, because we need some more of that green. Kiwi. Oops! Gosh, I'm really being clumsy today. So let's see if this is more pigmented. I mean, guys, you really don't need it any more pigmented than this. I just want it a little bit more foiled. Right, so they're looking pretty much the same, I would say. I wouldn't say you can tell any different, but with this kind of green, it's just so darn pigmented to begin with. This is why I like to go in with a dry brush first, just purely to see if I actually need to wet the brush in the first place. Right, I need a blending brush. Right, so I've not used this Primark one in a while, I'll just go in with that. Don't want to blend it away to nothing. I want it to be quite green on the lid. Not on the lid, on the crease. Right, so now I need to go back in with white chocolate. Then we need to find an inner corner highlight, which I think I know what I'm using. I think I'm going to use Yellow Diamond, this one here. This one's a bit crumbly. Oh, that's nice. I think I need to spritz it though and see if I can get it a little bit more pigmented. That's really nice. Just wondering what that one would look like all over the lid. I bet it would look really nice. Yeah, see, this one is definitely becoming more foiled and more pigmented when it's wet. Whereas the green was just so pigmented to begin with. It wasn't becoming any more foiled. Right, so that's that. Now, oh, I keep dropping that mirror. It's because I'm wearing black trousers and they're just like falling off them. Right, so I'm going to go in with Sour Pop just on the lash line. And if I feel it's too dark, I'll go in with that teal Dream just over it. Sorry, can you not see what I'm doing? So I've noticed in the last few videos you couldn't see when I was doing the bottom lash line. I think I might be doing 4 looks with this palette. I'm liking that. It's a bit bold, but I do like it. And the left eye's watering, so I think I'm going to have to leave it there, at least until I put my mascara and my eyeliner on. So let's do that now. Eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with a Too Faced Love eyeliner, just the one that I always wear. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more kiwi on, just with my finger. Yep. Loving that. Now we'll put in the mascara on. So it's just the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. And I don't have a clue what to wear with this crazy eye look for lips. Okay, let me go and have a look. Right, so I can't remember what this Lottie Slay All Day looks like on the lips. It's in the shade Work It. It is quite a neutral, so that one might look okay. I need to take this oil off. Right, so I've taken the lip oil off, so let's put the Lottie Slay All Day in Work It. It might be a bit too dark. feel like I'm coming to the bottom of this lipstick. And I barely wore it. They feel like, do you know the NYX, what are they called? The NYX matte ones. They feel like that. Really, really comfortable to wear. It's not a bad shade to go with this eye look. This eye look is really, really out there. So yeah, I'm actually really, really liking it. I'm loving. On first impressions, guys, this is a great palette. Now, if you're like me and you absolutely love to wear green, I mean, it's not an everyday wearable shade, is it? Have I got some fallout or something?